everyone, my name is Rumi and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your coil and your sparks plug. And so that you don't have to go to the shop and pay lots of money. So the first thing you do is you remove your batteries cables so that nothing happens, so you don't get shocked during the process of you changing your coil and spark plug. So I'm going to use a 10 millimeter socket to take off my coil. This here is coil number 1, and the way you know is because coil number 1 is closest to the belt. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. You kind of loosen it up just like so. So if you can bake a cake, you can do this, guys. No need to go to the shop for this. It's easy peasy. So I'm just basically removing this bolt here. Takes some time. It doesn't really take that long once you get it all done. Takes about approximately 15-20 minutes, I'd say. I don't know, not too much. And this is for a 2009 Toyota Corolla LE 1.8 engine. So now that I got the bolt off, guys, I'm going to remove this right here, which is the wires plug that goes. There's like a little latch here, but what I do is you don't want to ruin this, because if you ruin this, it won't click on correctly, and then when you hit bumps, then your car could have problems. So I would just, it's kind of hot, so be careful when doing this. See, righty-tighty, but we're doing it lefty to loosen the spark plug up. As you can see, the spark plug goes way down there, so you got to make sure that it's really, that you got a long extension, about a 10-inch to reach in there, because Toyotas. So now that you got your bolt off and you unplug these wires, then you go ahead and pull the coil out. There's a part here that's really bad that you gotta like push to the side and pull off the coil. So this is the coil, guys. I actually changed it already. This is a new coil. I changed it. Now I gotta change the spark plug. Take it out and put this back. So guys, after you have your spark plug in and your coil all back together again, all you have to do is hook up the battery cables back together again, and then make sure everything is all tightened up, and then you're good to go. You can just fire it up. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video, and like and subscribe, share with your friends if you liked this video, and if it was helpful to you, if it helped you, if it was useful, and if you want me to do more of these videos. Thank you and have a great day.